We will be trading with Quotex using our updated version of Binary Snper Pro version 3, with the Super Trend Indicator as our supporting indicator. We have filtered out some misconfigurations in our Binary Snper Pro version 3. It has been determined that it will reflect and got good results while trading with Quotex, trading on a normal currency. First, we will set our Super Trend Indicator to a period of 12, with a multiplier of 4. These settings could help us filter out signal noise and achieve profitable results. We achieved good trading results in our previous trades. It is easy to achieve an 80 to 90% success rate with this trading method. Make sure to set a daily target and stop loss. We received an alert from our Metatrader IV Binary Snper Pro version 3. A sell alert confirmation for EUR/JPY. Let's take a look at its chart to see if it is advisable to trade on it. The trend is very close to our super trend red line, which indicates a high chance of the trend moving downwards in this situation. The candle bar already reaches the red super trend line. Let's trade down on it. CAD/JPY also received a sell signal. Let's review our chart to determine if it is recommended to trade. As we can see, our super trend is on a green-colored line. There's a 50 to 50 chance that the trend will go up or down. We will not trade on it and will wait for our EUR/JPY pair to complete its trade. Amazing downward position there, and it yielded good trading results. Another trend confirmation. EUR/JPY, a buy alert signal from Metatrader IV platform. As shown in our chart, the trend is on a significant downtrend, indicating that a reversal may soon occur. Make sure to use a 5-second candle timeframe with a 1-minute trading duration. Let's go trade up. This method requires patience, as the alert signal generates an alert every 2 to 3 minutes and also produces some significant false signals. However, thanks to our Super Trend Indicator, it will generally filter the market trends based on the Quotex platform. Make sure to trade on normal currencies, not with the OTC ones. EUR/GBP, a buy alert confirmation. The trend is declining and it is far from the red super trend line. Our set of candle bars here might tend to reverse. Our signal suggests trading going higher. Let's trade up on this. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us to get the latest trading strategies with Quotex and other binary options brokers. Watch the rest of the strategy and like this video.